Good morning. We're going to do another copycat recipe, but this one's going to be for breakfast. Hi guys, Becki-licious here. When I was younger, I used to love going through the Burger King drive-thru for their Croissanwich breakfast sandwiches. I don't know what it was about them. I just loved them way more than I loved the Egg McMuffin and stuff. So I had some croissants still, and so I thought, you know what, we're going to make one because it would be super easy, but we're going to use Canadian bacon and then just egg and cheese. So there you go. Let's get started. All right, so we are going to start out with cracking our egg. We want our egg nice and cooked. So there you go. But yeah, not that I go and do a lot of fast food runs these days, but like I said, when I was younger, and I don't know what it was about this one, so I thought, you know what, we can do this super easy. All it is a Croissanwich. It's yumminess. All right, so we're going to get our egg going now, and I'm going to go ahead and throw on a few slices of this Canadian bacon. See? We'll do 3. Why not? Just in case a dog wants a piece. Yum, yum, yum. So while we're waiting for our egg to cook and our Canadian bacon to get all nice and sizzly hot, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. We're always click on the link tree for sure. All right, let's get this egg flipped over if we can. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ready, ready, ready. Now somebody's awake. Now somebody's definitely supervising me. She totally smells the Canadian bacon. Huh, you smell breakfast, don't ya? All right, so we're going to do American cheese on this. This is very, very, like I said, very classic, nothing too crazy, okay? All right, so we're going to start building this a little bit. We're going to build it here on the grill, even though I'm not necessarily grilling up this croissant. I don't need it grilled up, but I do want to put on all of the stuff while it's here on the grill because, oh, look at that melted cheese, all the yumminess. All right, so we're going to get all this on here. Oh, yes, perfect. All right, so then we're going to get the top on. And we're just going to cover this just a little bit just to kind of get it all warmed up, and then we're going to plate up because it's time to eat breakfast. My Copycat Burger King ham croissantwich, as they used to call it, is ready to come off the grill. So we're plating up, baby. We're definitely plating up. A little bit of blueberries on the side. Yeah, just a quick little sandwich. Grab and go, baby. Grab and go. Doesn't get any easier than that, does it? This looks exactly like how I used to get mine. Exactly. So now it's time to try it. Yep. And it was always with the Canadian bacon, not the sausage. This is the way I always got it. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen for sure. And it was super easy, super yummy. And so there you go. Never a dull moment, huh? So thanks for joining me. I hope you guys had fun. I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.